In this lesson, the objective is that the student will be able to 1. Understand what a mixed number is, and 2. Convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Mixed numbers are numbers that consist of an integer followed by a proper fraction. And a proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. The following are examples of mixed numbers: 4 2/3, 5 1/2, -9 and 27/35. We can convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. The procedure can be illustrated with an example. So let's just look at this. I'm going to go 4 2/3 to an improper fraction. So let's look at what we have. Okay, we're going to go 4 times 3 this product here, and we're going to add 2. So this numerator is 4 times 3 plus 2 is 14. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Now the denominator, however, here is the same as this denominator. So whatever your denominator is in this fraction part, that's what your denominator will be in your result, in your improper fraction. So let's look at an example. Convert each of the following mixed numbers to improper fractions: 8 3/4 and -12 and 7/9. Okay, so here's what you do. 8 3/4. Well, how do we get that? Well, we're going to go 8 times 4 plus 3 in order to get our numerator. Because we went 8 times 4, this product, plus the 3. So 8 times 4 plus 3. That's your numerator. And what is that? Well, that is equal to 8 times 4 is 32, plus 3 gives you 35. And your denominator, what's that? Well, it's the same as your original. It's the same as the fraction part of your mixed number. So the denominator is just 4. So I'll just write that down. So your improper fraction then becomes 35 over 4. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 3 is 35, gives you the numerator, and the denominator is just your 4. So that is your answer to number 1. Okay, now number 2. When you have a negative, something happens. You have to do something, and I'll show you what that is. You need to put a minus in front of your product for the numerator. So you go minus. Okay, then you go 12 times 9 plus 7. And we're keeping it all within brackets. So what does that give you? Well, I'll give you the extra step here. So that's minus, and 12 times 9 is 108, plus 7 is 115. So your numerator is minus 115. And again, your denominator is the same as the original denominator, which is 9. So your fraction in this case is minus 115 over 9. And that is your answer. So I've made this red just so you can see that you have a negative here this time. So still, you keep your negative here, negative here. So the original negative is carried off into your answer. So it's negative 115 over 9.